Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Holden Barina LS, stock reference number 5456. The shape runs from the 9th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a F16 D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. F16 D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. With the bonnet, it has 2 small dents, radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 7 small dents, right front door has 4 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.